What does she do? She puts makeup on her face. What hurts? His head hurts. What does she open? She opens her eyes. What does she blow? She blows her nose. What does she examine? She examines his ear. What does she open? She opens her mouth. What does she stick out? She sticks out her tongue. What does she brush? She brushes her teeth. What is red? Her lips are red. What hurts? Her throat hurts. What does he train? He trains his shoulders. What does she raise? She raises her arms. What does she massage? She massages her elbow. What does she wash? She washes her hands. What does she massage? She massages her wrist. What does he show? He shows his finger. What does he train? He trains his chest. What hurts? Her neck hurts. What does she massage? She massages the back. What is fat? His belly is fat. What hurts? Her hip hurts. What is beautiful? Her butt is beautiful. What does she train? She trains the pelvis. What do they move? They move their legs. What does she measure? She measures her thigh. What does he examine? He examines the knee. What does he test? He tests the ankle. What does she massage? She massages her foot. What does she move? She moves her toes. What does she paint? She paints her nails.